If your love for cricket knows no bounds, you're in for a treat. These moments will leave you speechless. From stunning catches to last ball finishes, cricket has given us some truly epic moments. Remember Jonty Rhodes' superhuman run-out against Pakistan? That dive felt like it defied gravity. And who could forget MS Dhoni's legendary six to win the 2011 World Cup? That shot still echoes in every cricket fan's heart. Let's talk about Shane Warne's ball of the century. The spin, the look of disbelief on Mike Gatting's face. Pure magic. Then there's Ben Stokes' heroic innings at Headingley in 2019, single-handedly taking England to victory, with every ball a heart-stopper. Finally, Sachin Tendulkar's record-shattering 200 in an ODI. A moment that crowned the little master as the king of cricket. These moments are what make cricket the most exhilarating sport on the planet. Stay tuned for more unforgettable cricketing magic.